Putting a wood heater in a two-story home is always challenging. The perfect scenario is we can position the heater downstairs where directly above where the wood heater is going to be will be a bedroom with a wardrobe or a cupboard, somewhere where we can hide the flue. Now, in our client's home today, the positioning of the wood heater downstairs happens to be directly underneath where the master bedroom is upstairs. And more importantly, it's where the master bedroom wardrobe is. The perfect position to run the flue through, so it's all hidden away. As we position the heater, we find that the upstairs bedroom, the cupboard where we want to line the flue up, does not align up with directly where the heater has to go. It's like when they've designed the home, the whole upstairs walls are misaligned or offset to make the rooms maybe bigger. But what this does is complicate the situation. Where we now want to put the flue does not align up with upstairs, it now aligns up halfway through the cupboard and the master bedroom. The positioning of this heater is now not going to work. And with no other position to put the heater in this home, we've got to now think outside the box and work out a different solution for this customer. The solution here is to change the flue. Our traditional triple skin flue we would normally use in this type of application is too big, and the bends are not going to work with the trick we need to do to be able to line this flue up with the cupboard upstairs. Pivot's room sealed insulated flue kit is going to give us all the solutions we need. Being only 200mm diameter, this smaller size is going to make all the difference to get upstairs, but more importantly is to do with the bends. As you can see, we cannot align the flue up downstairs with the cupboard. We need a very small diameter flue to do this. By hiding this bend within the floor cavity and putting the second bend in now to kick it away, we're now able to offset the flue to exactly where we need it to be in the master bedroom, wardrobe, upstairs, all hidden away. The problem is now solved. By adding these heavy duty flue brackets, this is going to ensure that this flue is completely locked into position. It's never going to move, it's never going to rattle, and it's going to be safe with all the clearances, always going to be exactly where we need it to be. We continue the flue through the cupboard to outside the home, where we complete the job by adding the cowl to the top of the flue. This job would have been impossible with a standard air-cooled triple skin flue kit, as it's too big, too bulky, and would have never have worked. These benefits of the insulated room seal flue kit being a smaller diameter, having low profile bends, the adjustable piece to allow us to line the flue up in the cupboard upstairs, we now have a heater in the exact position we want, a happy client, and we're ready for the next installation.